This is the hour, the darkest place. Dante's Inferno, the devil's maze. It's a good world, good world gone bad.
What's going on, y'all? I'm Captain Jody with Bayou Bandit Charters. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please subscribe. Out here this afternoon, got about 2 hours before dark. That old sun's gonna start hanging low here in a little while. And the goal of the trip is to target redfish, see if we can get 2 or 3 redfish and have a catch and cook on the boat, y'all. So that's the plans for today. What I'm using, I've got my fish bites in this Runkle box. This is a 3600 series. They come in a 2-pack, and it's got an O-ring seal all the way around it, and it keeps my fish bites from drying out, y'all. So I've got all my fish bites in there. Got me some drake bait jig heads, and that is what we're going to be using today. I've got my Hobo custom rod, y'all. Got it on here. Can't wait to hook up with a big nice redfish on it, using a drake bait jig head and the fish bites dirty boxer. So enough talking, let's get to fishing. See y'all in a minute. Oh, good red. Soon as it hit the water, y'all, woo, I mean, just as soon as he hit the water, ooh, look at that pretty rascal. And there's one swimming with him. There was another redfish swimming with him, y'all. Unbelievable. I still see the other red. Wow, that is, woo! Look at that rascal fight right there. Look at that boy fight, y'all. There we go. Woo, what a nice, beautiful redfish, y'all. Look at that thing. So beautiful. Man, we made a move and it's paying off for us. All right, on the fish bite dirty boxer with a drake bait jig head. Love that combination. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. He's sitting 22 inches, y'all. 22-inch redfish. He is definitely going in the box for sure, y'all. Definitely for sure. All right, beautiful guy, y'all. We're gonna bleed him out as always. Look at him. Those rascals bleed out. That'll be some good eating right there, y'all. Shoot, yeah, that is what I'm talking about, y'all. Let's get another one. All right, y'all, caught him on the counter punch from Fish Bites using the drake bait jig head. That is the best jig head I've ever used. Super strong, super sharp hook. Baits don't fall off of it. What was so cool about that is I was watching another redfish right beside him after I set the hook on him, following him, running right with him to the boat. Whoo! First good fish on the Hobo custom rods, man, and I love it. I am hooked on these rods, let me tell you. Chris guy, I'll be getting some more of these from you, brother. I will definitely be getting some more of these rods from you. And guys, at the end of this video, make sure y'all watch the whole video. At the end of the video, I'll be doing Google Earth overlay on the area I'm fishing. So if you want to take your kids out, get them on some fish, maybe you'll be able to do that, y'all. Look at that sheephead. That sheephead was following that that fish bites. Like I was saying, guys, at the end of the video, I'll put Google Earth satellite overlay on the area I'm fishing today. That's something new to the channel that I'm gonna start doing this year. I got a lot of good feedback from my last red fishing video where I did that. So yeah, if you want to know, learn some new areas, learn the hazards of the area, places y'all can come out, target some fish, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And that's something that we'll be doing on in the foreseeable future on most all my videos. See that redfish? Y'all see that redfish? He right off that point. Oh, golly. I just had one hit it. Fish on, y'all. Fish on. Oh yeah, good redfish. Ooh, look at that sucker. He is strong, y'all. Shoot, yeah. Look at that rascal pull. Ooh, look at that hobo rod bend over, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, he's running. Look at that rod bend, y'all. Yeah, Bill, let's get the net on this one. Woo! Beautiful, beautiful redfish. Let him wear out. Let him wear out. Swing him around. All right, get him, Bill. That's what I'm talking about, Bill. There you go. Here, give me some. Give me some. Give me some. Boom! There we go, y'all. Whoo, man. Chris guy, I love this rod, baby. Whoo! Love that rod. Look at that rascal right there, y'all. Look at that rascal right there, y'all. Look at that pretty guy. Look at that, y'all. Look at that beautiful, beautiful redfish on the fish bite dirty box and the Drake Baits jig head. Perfect, perfect combination. And the hobo custom rod, man. Beautiful, beautiful, thick, fat redfish. Hook right in the top of the mouth. Rascal. There we go. Whew. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. 23-inch redfish, y'all. Woo! Bill, I think we may have a catch and cook. What you think?
Looks like it.
Ooh, you fixing to be blackened up, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Right there. All right, let's see if we can turn this 24-foot boat around in about 16-foot wide creek here. I'm just gonna nose her up. Turn her around. Keep her in forward, just let her twist off that bank. Boom. There we go. That's how to do it, y'all. We got some shallow water, ain't even registering on the depth finder. See if we can get the old girl up. You ready, Bill? You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
That's right, baby. Woo! Let's roll. Alright, y'all, we ended up with 2 nice redfish, which is all we need for our catch and cook. So I'm fixing to clean these rascals real quick. Those of y'all that's been chartering with me, y'all know about my setup, y'all. Y'all know about my setup. Folds up, fits in the gunner rails, quick, easy. Got a light up there for at the end of a charter when it's dark, nighttime. I can clean all these fish for y'all. Like y'all saw me do, I bled these fish out. Y'all saw me do that. That makes a world of difference in your quality of your meat. I would highly suggest y'all do that for sure. Using a Dexter Russell beef skinner curved blade. I've been using that knife for years and years, y'all. There's no telling how many fish that knife's clean. It's got that curved blade. You can feel all those bones. Just ride down that dorsal fin. You can feel every one of those bones with this knife. Really like it. You can feel those bones right there. Just go up and over those guys. No need to dull your knife, have bones in your fillet. So we just go up over those bones. Quick and easy. Spin around. Cut that fillet off. A lot of times, I'm not doing it today because we're blackening these fish, but I cut these throats out for my customers. That throat right there is some really good meat on the half shell on the grill for sure. And you can batter and fry it as well. Makes for some really good meat. Boy, that's a pretty redfish, y'all. Just going right down that dorsal fin to the back. My index finger on the backbone of that blade, I can feel every one of those bones. Up and over the rib bones. Up and over. All bone. No bone on your fillet. That's what you want. Big old beautiful fillets. Fresh. You want to talk about fresh? Y'all ain't gonna get no fresher than this. That's a piece of fresh. He's still trying to swim. You can't swim, old buddy. You ain't even in the water. Once again, run that knife right down that dorsal fin. Makes for a clean fillet with no meat at all wasted. And that's what you want. You want to get all the return that you can get off of these fish. Boy, that blackened redfish fixing to be good, y'all. Like I said, these bigger fish got some very nice throats. That's good meat. I got the old Bayou Bandit set up, y'all. This fish cleaning table, all the guts, all the slime goes overboard. It don't go in my boat. I can't have that stuff in my boat. All right, now since we've got the fillet off the fish, now we're gonna get the fillet off the scales and skin. I always use stainless steel catfish skinners. They last forever, y'all. Y'all can get them on from Brunson Net and Twine. They're in Foley. Y'all can get them off Amazon. They last forever. It's easy. Just grab the tail. And since I've been doing all the chartering, I went with the Bubba Blade with the battery packs, and I love them. I do not like the blades that come with them. To me, they're too aggressive. But the Mr. Twister Piranha blades fit in there perfectly, like they were made for it, and that is my go-to. That is a perfect combination. If you're thinking about getting one, they're really good, but I recommend the Piranha blades. It's just like butter, y'all. I mean, how can it be any quick and easier than that? It makes it so simple, so easy. And these batteries comes with a 2-pack of batteries. This one battery would last me about 4 charter trips before I have to swap it over to the other one. But just, I mean, don't get no easier than that, y'all. Simple, quick, easy, well worth the money, especially if you do what I do. Boom. Now we fixing to get the grease hot. All right, y'all, we're gonna get that old redfish fillet right there. I like using Justin Wilson original Cajun seasoning. Been using it for a long time. We want a heavy coating of Justin Wilson, as well as frog bone blackened seasoning. I get all my seasoning from Rouse's. They always have a good supply of it. Put it on both sides. Heavy coating. We want this good blackened flavor on these fresh redfish fillets. Yes sir, yes we do. If y'all watched any of my other cleaning cookings, y'all will know this is my 2 favorite seasonings. All right, we got 2 of them right there ready to go. We want our cast iron skillet real hot. Melted some butter in there. It didn't take this stove long at all to get hot, y'all. We're gonna melt us some butter in there. Coat that pan good. Good and generous amount of butter. We're gonna put us a little bit vegetable oil in there, not a lot. We don't want to fry it. We want to blacken it. And we want a hot fire. We want that pan hot. We want it to sear and cook real fast. That's about what we're looking for right there. Blackened redfish. Gonna be good, y'all. On the boat, look at this, y'all. Look at that full moon up there. Pretty bayou. Sun's fixing to set in about another 25-30 minutes. Came out here, short amount of time, caught 2 nice redfish. I'm getting hungry. You getting hungry?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
It's gonna be good, y'all. All right. Blackened redfish. Listen to this, y'all. Oh yeah, that's what you want to hear. You want to hear that sizzle. What? Oh yeah, it smells so good. On that side, Don't ever want your pan to get dry. Want to make sure you got some butter in there all the time. Alright. Old boy right there is ready. That one right there is ready. Ooh, that's gonna be good. Them little old giblets. It's like just a little bit longer. We'll go ahead and put a little bit more butter in there. Just like so. I can't wait. I can't resist. Woo! You want to talk about good? Try your piece of that right there, Bill. Tell me if that ain't some good fresh fish. Oh. That's where it's at, ain't it? Oh, good buttery, lemony, little bit of seasoning. Oh my God, that's good, y'all. Y'all missing out if y'all don't do this. A little bit of mayonnaise right there. Put on that taco. Ooh, right there, right there. Ain't nothing like Duke's mayonnaise, y'all. A little bit of lemon juice in there. A couple of drops of smoked chipotle Tabasco, y'all. That's where it's at right there. I'll get a little piece of redfish right there. Bust that rascal up right there. Tell you what. Fold that sucker right there in half right there. There you go, Bill. Think about that.
Oh, that's never happened.
You won't find nothing no fresher, I guarantee you that. Ain't nothing like getting out here and living life, y'all. That's what it's all about right here. Old sun just set over there. Look at that, y'all. Just try this old redfish. Blackened, fresh redfish taco, y'all. Oh my God, Bill.
Boy, it's great, isn't it? Oh.
Hey, y'all gotta try this. If y'all enjoyed the video, smash that like button. If you hadn't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate it a lot. It'd help my channel grow. Thank y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed it. See y'all on the next one.